माझे नाव सायली शिरवणकर. I am resident of Bastora and I have completed my masters in environmental science. आयज हांगासर आमी tree plantation drive which is organized here by the Lions Club of Aldona. हांव तांकां खूब थँक यू म्हणटा because this is one small action that is taken that will help environment in whole. लायक आमकां खबर आहा आमी हे सदांच आयकलां आसतलें की आमी झाडां लावपाक जाय, झाडां वाचोवपाक जाय. तो एक कोट आसा विच इज झाडां लाया आनी झाडां जगवा. सो हे आमी करपाक जाय कित्याक दीस इज वन स्मॉल एक्शन दॅट वी नीड टू टेक फ्रॉम आवर एंड.
माझे नाव प्रमिला कृष्णा आमोणकर. हे आमकां झाडां दिलेलीं आहात तेन्ना आमकां ती एका वातावरणाक लागून आमचे मातशें वाऱ्याक हेका लागून आमकां करचें पडटा. तेन्ना आमकां एक गरज आहा फक्त हेका लागून आमचे झाडां अशीं लायल्या उपरांत आमकां मातशें वारें बिरें अशें थंडाय बी अशी मेळटा आमकां. लावपाची आमी घेवपाची आनी लोकांनी लावपाची झाडां.
My name is Macklin and I've taken 2 jamun trees and 1 custard apple tree.
What's special about this plant?
Oh, I love jamun very much. So I hope it grows.
So where have you taken this from?
Actually from the Aldona MLA. Yes, yeah.
Lions Club.
Yes, in collaboration with Lions
So you
Club.
love these plants?
Yes, I
You have
love.
placed these plants?
Oh yes, of course I have. So hopefully they grow. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
Everyone knows what is the importance of trees. Everyone knows why they are important and why we should, continue to do this good deed that we should do during the monsoons, wherein we can plant the tree or the whatever sapling we are doing. It can be very small also, but the nature that is from monsoon, the rains will further nurture it. So one small action from our end can do a great difference. Today, if we plant, then year after our generations will come and they will thank us ki baba आता आमी जे actually mangoes or coconuts or any other fruits or any other tree ज्याचे आमी लाभ घेता, that is because our great grandparents they did their task. So it is our duty now to continue the same so that the future generations also get to see a part of nature that was very important, and we need to be that 1% wherein we be a good example for the society.
भरपूर काम करतात आणि भरपूर ॲक्टिविटीज करतात लोकां पासत, तरणाट्या पासत, जाणट्या पासत आनी कोण दुयेंत जाल्या पासून कितें जाय जाल्यार बॅट जाय जाल्यार कदेल जाय जाल्यार बडी जाय जाल्यार भोंवपाक ते स्वता वावरतात लोकां पासत. देखून तेंचे बरोबर आमी लास्ट इयर पासून आमी प्रोग्राम केल्लो अशें करून झाड आनी प्लांट्स दिवपा लोकांक, आनी हांव खूश आशिल्लो ते आमचे प्रोग्राम बरो जाले म्हण. आनी तेंगे बरो टीम आसा, यूथ तरणाटे जाणटे सगळे येतात आनी तुमी जाणात वन महोत्सव आसा देखून आमी ते प्लांट डेडिकेशन करतात. आयज आमी प्लांट हाडल्यात ते नाल्ल तूं जाणा ते कोवाते हाडले, लिंबू हाडला, धूप हाडला. आनी हांव धूप कित्याक सांगता तुमकां व्हरपाक म्हण, धूप लांब जाता आनी मागीर तें धूप तूं जाणा तें टॅपिंग करूं जाता, मागीर तें धूप आमी घातात ते यूज करूं जाता, दीक येता दिकाचे यूज करूं जाता. तुमच्या पासून विको जाता तें तुमकां फायद्या पडटलो. गुवावा बरे क्वॉलिटी गुवावा हाडला, तिकी आसा आनी तिकी पासून क्वॉलिटी हांवें चूज करून हाडला. नीम तुमी जाणा नीम तुमचें करूं जाता, जामून आहा, आवला, कोकम, पेपर तूं जाणा ते पेपर मिऱ्या आमी मिऱ्या कोण म्हणटात, सीताफळ, बेल तूं जाणा बेल हय बेल तूं जाणा ते पानां उजार करतात शिवाक आनी हें आहा ते फ्रूट बेलाचे ते बरे मारप विकतात ते बाजारात तुमच्यान करूंक ते मातशें जागो जाल्यार आमी बेश्टे रायनाकात दुसरी झाड मारनाकात बिंबली काजू शंकरा तुमी फ्लावरींग ते प्लांट आसा पॉमग्रेनेट आहा बटरकप आनी आनंद सो आमी तुमकां दोन प्लांट दितले कितें एक्स्ट्रा जाल्यार मागीर तुमकां दितले ना जाल्यार आनी तुमकां आनी कितें जाय जाल्यार तुमकां आमकां सांगात आमी नोट करतले आनी तुमकां कसले स्पेशल प्लांट जाय जाल्यार तुमकां आमकां सांगात आमी दितले तुमकां
देर इज वन कोट मराठीन आसा तो म्हणपाक सोदतलें हांव झाडे वाचवा झाडे जगवा बिकॉज ओनली इन द एक्झिस्टन्स ऑफ नेचर आर एक्झिस्टन्स विल पर्सिस्ट.
In association with the Lions Club and the Leo Club, we are having this plant distribution program on account of One Mahotsav, which is being celebrated from 1st of July to 6th of July. Amka, we believe in a clean and a green Aldona, and that is why, if you know, I had started this plant distribution years even before I had contested elections, because I believe that greenery gives oxygen and it is something which is soothing for the eyes and it is good for environment and for all of us. And if we have such kind of notions which we can plant one tree in each plot, I think we can have a healthy environment, a healthy neighborhood, and we can have a better living in life. आमी जाणात की आमच्या आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भरपूर लोक येतात घर बांदतात कित्याक हो जागो आसा तो देवान दिलो जागो and this is green and we need to maintain this greenery, we need to maintain the green cover, and I think this will go in a large way in helping us do environmental activities. And I think we are giving the plants, Aijami plant delighted, these are all useful plants, fruit bearing plants, and we have also given like dup, and we have explained how they can benefit from these kind of things. Bale, kita belache fruit of the bale भरपूर वालोर आसता पानां पासून उजार करतात in religious events and functions. So therefore we have chosen and carefully selected plants which will be useful for them in home, which they can also utilize for maybe a little bit of making some money, and also for greenery of their household area or maybe their properties or their plots, and also giving greenery to the place. Lions Club has been doing human service along with Leo Club, and that's why I have done in collaboration with them. They are in the forefront of doing a lot of social activities, just not our constituency, all over Goa and other places too, and internationally too. And I'm also a member of the Lions Club, and that is why I'm happy that they are also with us, and together we make a good team, and we definitely want to look after the interests of the people and want to make people happy, and we want to see the smile of each one on the face of each and every individual in our constituency.
So this is what I would like to say, and thank who are all organizing all this kind of drives, because itulian amka at least that 1% of work we can do, like small contribution from our end.
We, Lions Club of Aldona, along with our MLA advocate Carlos, are having this One Mahotsav on third today. We have started with Baswara. We are having in two more places today, at Akoy and also at Ukasai. This is to make our own whole Aldona constituency green and very environmental friendly. We thank our MLA for getting us all these plants to distribute among the people out here, and I'm sure this will help all the people around there. We've got different varieties of plants which has been given to them, which is useful to them, even for making the place green, fruit bearing, flower bearing, and also some for trading. All these things are going to help them in the future. I thank him once again, and I thank the people, and I'm sure the people of this constituency will be very happy with this. Thank you very much.